Welcome back to Personal PT. The other day we were out in the Wasatch touring and we talked about energy efficiency and injury prevention. Well, today I've put together a couple exercises that you can do at home which will help you in the outdoors, especially in this repertoire for touring. We're going to focus on your lower abs, your transverse abdominis, and then also your obliques. Your transverse abdominis really helps stabilize that pelvis and really helps support your back, and then your obliques really help you to turn, so we're working on both of those. We've talked about how touring is a really repetitive sport, so it's really important that you have that correct technique and efficiency to keep you going strong when you're out touring. Alright, let's start. So you're just going to lie on your back, feet on the floor, knees up towards the ceiling. Okay. And the first thing I want you to do is just practice bringing that belly button in towards the spine. And relax. And bring it in. You should feel that stomach go down. And relax. Now you may wonder why I'm just starting with this. Well, I want to make sure that you can do this specific activity while you're still able to talk, you're still able to breathe. Feel your body. Are you tensing up? Are you holding everything? It should be a nice gentle contraction, and you want to make sure you isolate it right in that stomach area, okay? So once you're able to do that comfortably and speak, you can put your two first fingers right on those hip bones. I like to do this because during the ab exercise you can feel how your hips shift. You might be weaker on one side and notice a bigger shift. Okay, so you're going to bring those abs in towards the spine, that belly button, and you're going to lift one foot up and back down, and then the other one and back down, and you're going to repeat this back and forth. You can alternate or you can do 10 on each side. It is normal to feel some shifting in the hips from side to side, and you might notice also after you get proficient at this exercise that the shifting becomes less and less, and that's what you want to feel. And these exercises are not for anybody with back problems. They're not to treat any or diagnose. If you do have any back pain, please stop and see a professional to see if these exercises are appropriate for you. An advancement of this exercise to still work that lower belly is bring that leg up, and then you're going to switch in mid-air and just tap those feet nice and gently. Good. And you also want to check the stability of those hips. You should feel that your back still on the floor. If you notice that your back starts to arch away from the floor, I want you to stop and readjust, bring that belly in, and then start again. Okay, if you notice that comes off repeatedly, it might be too advanced for you, so work on the first exercise more to work up to that. If you feel like these are too easy for you, these are just the beginning of exercises that you can do at home, so feel free to contact me and I can see you and we can give you some more exercises to do. Just the beginning, but it's a good place to start from. So in terms of working the upper abs, okay, the obliques, what we're going to do is you're going to kind of lean back, put your hands back here. You're going to put one hand by your ear and you're going to go towards the opposite knee. So you're kind of crunching and rotating at the same time. You should feel these wrap around where you for your abs, for your obliques. And then you can switch sides. Again, you want that belly button towards the spine. To make it a little bit harder, you can extend your legs more, make it easier, just move in a smaller area instead of from back here. Okay? So those are just a couple exercises that you can do at home. Really important that you focus on matching your exercises at home to the sports that you love to do outdoors. It makes a huge difference, especially in terms of how you warm up, your fatigue level, your performance right when you start. These are good exercises to do also before you head out because it kind of turns on those muscles that you're going to use when you are out touring. I hope you have a wonderful day, and thank you for joining Personal PT. Here's physical therapy being brought to you.